Hello students, let us solve more questions of area related to circle. Question: add the corners A, B and C of a right angle triangle field ABC. Three horses are tethered with string of length 7/4 meters each. Find the area of the field which the horses cannot graze. Use pi equal to 22/7. So let us draw the figure. This is triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, BC 24, AC 25 centimeter and AB 7 meter. And the horses are tethered at A, B and C. The length of rope is 7/4 meter. Okay. So we have to calculate the area of ungrazed region. This is the shaded part. So students, first of all we have to calculate the area of triangle ABC. Half base into height. Base is 24, height is 7. So area of triangle ABC equals to half base into height. Half into 24 into 7 equals to 84 meters square. Correct? Now student, you can see here at place A, at the point A, B and C, three sectors are there. So area of one sector theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is not given to us and radius is given 7/4 meter. So we can write A upon 360 because this is angle A. Correct? So at the place of theta we can write A upon 360 into pi value 22/7, radius 7/4 into 7/4 meter square. Similarly student, at the point B, radius is 7/4. Correct? So let us write at the place of theta B upon 360 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 meter square. Similarly, we can calculate area of sector formed at the point C. Its radius also 7/4 meter. So C upon 360 into 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 meter square. So these are the grazed portion by horses. So total grazed area by horses, we can add the area of all three sectors. So total grazed area by horses equals to all three sectors area we have to add A upon 360 into 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 plus B upon 360 into 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 plus C upon 360 into 22/7 7/4 into 7/4. Now student, we can take common. What is the common? 22/7 into 7/4 into 7/4 is common. And 1/360 is also common. What left here? A, here B and here C. So A, B, C are the angles of triangle. At this place we can write 180. So 1/360. And here student, you can see the calculation. 7 and 7 both are cancelled. 2 2 are 4 and 2 11 are 22. 11 7 are 77 upon 360 and 4 2 are 8. 77 upon 360 into 8 into 180, because the sum of angles of a triangle is 180. So at that place we can write 180. So do calculation, 0 0 cancel, 18 2 ja 36, 77 upon 16 meter square equals to 4.81 meter square. So this is the area of grazed portion of the field. But we have to calculate area of ungrazed portion. So its area equals to, so area of field which the horses cannot graze equals to, we have to subtract area of 3 sectors from the area of triangle. So area of triangle, it is 4 meter square minus 4.81, so 79.19 meter square. This is the area of region not grazed by horses. This is our answer. Let us solve one more question. In figure, ABC is a right angle triangle, angle A 90 degree. Find the area of the shaded region if AB equal to 6 centimeter, BC equal to 10 centimeter, and O is the center of in circle of the triangle ABC. Take pi equals to 3.14. So this is the figure given to us, student. ABC is triangle, angle A 90 degree, AB is 6 centimeter, BC equals to 10 centimeter. We have to calculate the area of shaded region. So to calculate the area of shaded region, first of all we have to find out radius of the circle. To find out radius of the circle, we have to do some constructions. Join OE, OD and OF, OE, OD and OF. D, E and F are the point of contact. So students, in quadrilateral AFOD, angle A is 90 degree given to us, and OF is radius, AC is tangent, so angle F is 90 degree. Similarly, angle D is also 90 degree. So when 3 angles of quadrilateral is 90 degree, then angle O will be also 90 degree. Correct? Because the sum of angles of quadrilateral is 360 degree. 390 degree we have to subtract from 360. So we can get the angle O is also 90 degree. It means AFOD is a rectangle. In quadrilateral, angle A equals to 90 degree, angle F equals to angle D equals to 90 degree, because we know that radius is perpendicular to tangent. Then angle FOD is also 90 degree, because as I told you just now, when 3 angles are 90 degree, then the last angle of the quadrilateral will also be 90 degree. So AFOD is a rectangle. AFOD is a rectangle, but OF equals to OD, length equals to breadth, student here. So we can say AFOD is a square. So AFOD is a square, correct? Because OF equals to OD equals to R. So all sides of square will be R. So AF equals to AD equals to R centimeter. So AF equals to AD equals to R centimeter. Sides of square are equal. Now student, in figure you can see BD, AB equals to 6 centimeter, AD equals to R. So we can say BD equals to 6 minus R. Okay, BD equals to BE, because tangent drawn from same point to a circle are equal. So BD equal to 6 minus R, then BE also 6 minus R. Then CE 10 minus 6 minus R. Okay, let us calculate. BD equal to 6 minus R centimeter, BD equals to BE equal to 6 minus R centimeter. Tangent drawn from same point to a circle are equal. So C equals to 10 minus 6 minus r. Let us open the bracket. 10 minus 6 plus r, 4 plus r centimeter. Correct? So CE we have calculated, it is 4 plus r centimeter. So CE equals to CF. Tangent drawn from same point to a circle are equal. So we can say CF also 4 plus r centimeter. So students, CF equals to CE equals to 4 plus r centimeter, because above reason tangent drawn from same point to a circle are equal. Now students, in triangle ABC, angle in 90 degree, let us use Pythagoras to calculate AC. So BC square hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square, AC square plus base square, AB square. BC square equals to AC square plus AB square. BC is given 10 centimeter and AB equals to 6 centimeter. Then it will become, in triangle ABC, angle A equals to 90 degree. Using Pythagoras, BC square equals to AC square plus AB square. BC 10 centimeter, AB 6 centimeter. Then it will become 10 square equals to AC square plus 6 square. 100 minus 36 equals to AC square. 64 equals to AC square. AC equals to 8 centimeter. So we have calculated, student, AC equals to 8 centimeter, but AC equals to AF plus FC. AF is R and FC we have calculated just now 4 plus R. AC equals to AF plus FC. AC equals to 8 centimeter, just calculated. AF equals to R and FC equals to 4 plus R. So 8 minus 4 equals to 2R. 4 equals to 2R, R equal to 2 centimeter. So by this method, student, using the tangent, we have calculated here radius of circle, R equals to 2 centimeter. Now area of circle, pi r square. So area of circle equals to pi r square, pi value 3.14, r value 2 into 2, radius 2 centimeter, that's why r square. We have to write 2 into 2. Let us multiply all. So area of circle is 12.56 centimeter square. Correct? Now area of triangle, half base into height. Half base is 6 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. This is base AB or height AC. AC calculated 8 centimeter, AB 6 centimeter. So 6 into 8, 2 3 are 6, 24 centimeter square. So area of shaded region, area of triangle minus area of circle. Area of triangle 24, area of circle 12.56. Correct? So when we subtract, we get 11.44 centimeter square. This is the area of shaded region. Okay, student.